Our secure portal enables users to log in with role-based permissions to review or take action in the system. Our client portal enables you to browse and navigate to active projects. The project dashboard allows you to configure task teams and gateways. In this example, you can see we have a RIBA-style project plan showing gateways 3 through to 6. Each gateway principally holds one or more requirements. Each information requirement is assigned to a task team for delivery. Each gateway also stores additional metadata such as the gateway compliance lead, target date for completion, and an aggregated compliance percentage calculated based on the submitted deliverables for each requirement. When we view the gateway stage 3, the system shows the requirements already assigned. We can see here we have 3 for the architecture task team and 2 for the mechanical and electrical team. Each requirement is configured to suit the client's specification, including the required worksheets and columns. For each sheet and column, the rules to be checked are specified to ensure the delivered data meets the client's requirements. If we now view the gateway stage 4, the number of requirements expands to facilitate more designers coming on board, each with their own requirements. By stage 5, the requirements grow again. You may need to capture information beyond standard COBie, for example, to meet Building Safety Act requirements or gather work package-specific data. This can range from piling schedules to cladding system specs. By stage 6, all COBie deliverables converge into a single comprehensive federated COBie package, ready for handover alongside supplier-specific deliverables. Our platform lets you specify exact information, exchange requirements, and acceptance criteria, and automatically generates a tailored checker shared directly with each team. Now let's take a look at some more details. Let's open the architectural COBie requirements from stage 4. At the top of the page, we can see the expected file type, submission status, latest compliance percentage, upload count, and timestamp of the last check. Note: to protect clients' data, uploaded files are deleted after 24 hours. However, users can download HTML and Excel reports before deletion. The specification section outlines the rules that will be checked, including mandatory sheets, column order, row limits, and column-level rules such as uniqueness, intercolumn references, data type constraints, and value ranges. This is where you can review the entire specification for a specific deliverable. Knowing you'll need to share this, you can print the contract version to include in your contract appointments or save the template to reuse in other deliverables. As soon as you publish your specification, our system creates a checker aligned with the specification available to the task team. In the checker section, simply upload your file and submit it for an automated check, receiving detailed reporting and statistics. On the next page, monitor the checking process, which typically completes in around 30 seconds and provides a detailed task log. At this stage, you will be presented with 2 reports. One is in HTML format, and the other is in Excel format. Open the HTML report to view high-level metrics for structure checks and data compliance, and drill down into the sheet compliance breakdown. The HTML report can also be shared with the client as a record of the compliance check with the deliverable. You can also investigate each column's compliance to understand precisely where any specific issue may occur and understand overall data compliance. We include the specification section as a record of exactly what rules and checks were expected. It outlines every detail required per sheet and column, including any cross-references and data constraints. Finally, we include a list of failed rules in the HTML summary, an at-a-glance overview of which checks did not pass, again split by sheets for more straightforward navigation. While an HTML report gives you high-level metrics, the Excel report drills into the details. You can download an Excel report which, on the summary sheet, will present the key metrics and per-sheet compliance. Further down the summary report, each failed check is presented with description, associated sheet and column, and number of occurrences. At the bottom of the workbook, all sheets containing errors are highlighted for easier navigation. In each tab, error cells are highlighted in color, with the associated warning sign and number included as a prefix. Clicking the header reveals a note with an error message explaining exactly why specific cell values didn't comply. Finally, to speed up the review process, You can filter the columns by color for quick identification of the associated errors. Again, this report can be shared with others or used to quickly identify non-compliant data in a simple format.